Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a 56 Chev with a big block Chevy, dual fours, custom interior, big fat tires on the back. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 454. We'll look at that custom interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 56 Chev investment. So come on up, and we're gonna fire it up now. So check this beauty out, man. Look at the chrome on the grill. All the chrome up here looks brand new. The front bumper looks amazing, and that paint as slick as can be. Now look down the side of it. She's straight as an arrow. The car's straight from California. Great looking set of wheels and tires on it. Wait till you see how much rubber's on the back. That door's nice and flush. The line's nice and straight. Of course, no posts. Look at that interior. Beautiful. Got custom stereo in there, B&M shifter, tilt column, custom paint on the dash, custom interior on this baby. We've got a great stereo in it. They got 6x9s in the back. The headliner matches the rest of the interior. The paint on the dash looks good. We got a great big tack there so you can keep track of what your 454 is doing. And look at the dash, just beautiful. All the chrome in there looks good. This thing's even got a backup camera, guys. And again, Mickey Thompson's on the back. Look at the dish on that wheel. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. Inside the taillight here, normally where the 56 would fuel up, is actually the battery shut off. That's kind of cool. We'll get in the trunk here and take a look. Trunk's all finished off nicely. We got a kill switch here for the stereo system. And here's our fuel fill here, and the battery's mounted here in the trunk. Beautiful tub job on the car. You look down the side of it, like I said, straight as an arrow. All that stainless looks great. She is one beautiful 56 Chev, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. Right now, we've got about 240 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. So we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. Once they get here, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. Now, I'm involved in buying all the cars here at Vanguard, and we're bringing in about 40 new ones every month. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience messing around with these old muscle cars, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in the 56 now, and man, this thing is badass. Listen to that exhaust. Man, she sounds great. Now, it's kind of rainy and nasty today, so we're not driving this baby on the street today. But I was out driving it the other day, man, test drive. Thing is an ape, man. It is tough as can be. And look at that dash. Right there in a stock location, it's got all aftermarket gauges. They all look great. It's got a tilt column in it. Now this fancy stereo, this is a Pioneer setup. The radio works, the amp works, the backup camera works, everything works. We went through it, tested it all out. Quicksilver shifter. The car's amazing, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. If you need help with financing, no problem whatsoever. 2 bankers we work with, 15-minute phone call with the banker, the stream's in your drive. Now call Tom 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. He always answers his phone. And if he doesn't answer, he'll call you right back. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this thing up in the air. As a matter of fact, we already have. The bottom side of this car is killer. The back half job, professional. It's a drop dead gorgeous car, guys, so hang with us. All right, we're underneath the 56 now, and they did a beautiful job on the back half. You can see they just cut the frame right here. They've built some extensions here. Everything's welded in nice and neat. They got a custom aluminum gas tank in here, fuel filter right there. Original frame right here, beautiful job. They've got some extra braces in here they've made. Coilovers holding it up, Ford 9-inch, 411 gear in here, and it is posi. Beautiful job fishing in the exhaust here too. Ladder bars holding her. We've got disc brakes here. Big old drive shaft. Looks like the yoke's brand new. They've got, I pointed out the ladder bars already. This nice cross member here where the ladder bars are tying in. And look at the way they stepped this frame in. Original frame to original frame. They made a beautiful bracket right here. Like I said, when I first looked at this car, I thought this was factory. And on these 55, 56, 57 Chevys, you always want to take a look at these body mounts. All these look great. The back sides of the rockers look good. You can see all the extra bracing that's in here. Again, all this stuff looks great. Backside of the rockers are beautiful. 700 R4, that's a 4-speed automatic, guys. We've got a nice set of headers here that have been jet coated. Disc brakes up front too, extra deep pan. Cross member looks good, bushings look great. Lower control arms look great. We got steel braided hoses going to the brakes here. You can see beautiful, it's definitely a re-chrome bumper. Front frame horns are nice and straight. All the hardware up here is nice and clean. It's just a beautiful car underneath. Really, really well engineered. Whoever built this baby did a beautiful job. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. Great looking set of wheels on here. The center caps look good. And this is actually the wheel that's chromed here, and the black is painted black. We got two 05 7015s. Trim looks good. Wheel houses are nice and clean. Paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front fender. On these cars, you always want to reach around back in here and see if you got nice metal, and that's nice and smooth back there. Now let's look at the rear. All right, back here is where the work's getting done. We're putting horsepower to the road with some, let's see, 31 by 16 and a half by 15s, some deep dish wheels that match the front. The lip right here feels good. Wheel houses are nice and clean. And again, I already showed you the beautiful back half job. All these extra brackets they built off the frame look great. All the extensions where they step the frame over look great. Now the back bumper also looks like it was redone, and they got some great looking tips here on the exhaust. Let's get under the hood. All right, check this baby out under the hood. They got a big old radiator mounted in front of the core, big electric fans on it, keeping it cool. You got a nice polished up panel here holding it in place. We've got polished up Edelbrock dual force setup on it. The carburetor's polished, the intake's polished. It even looks like the heads are semi-polished. Polished aluminum valve covers. This is a 454. It was built out of a 79 model block. I see brand new shims down there in the upper control arms. You can see that it's got a nice new alignment on it. The fuel line looks great. Firewall has been coated. Looks like an MSD back there firing it up. Those are the reservoirs there for the brake cylinder. It's an amazing car. We do have power steering. It's got a chrome alternator in it. This thing's badass, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.